For this at-home activity video, I will briefly describe some ideas of how to construct a diorama. This video is suited both for younger and older learners. In addition, two sets of written instructions are provided in the PDFs below, one for the younger kids and the other for the older. Remember, for your older learners, expectations are set much higher, with a primary objective being for the scene to look realistic and be constructed to scale. Plants, animals, and landscape features may need to be constructed by hand in order to accomplish this goal. Before starting construction, grab the PDF below and go to the video link about dioramas to get inspired. Then take a look at the diorama photos that are provided from the link to the Natural History Museum of LA County. You will find very high-resolution, detailed photos of plants and animals from a variety of environments. Look at each photo. Consider whether one of the environments that are shown is interesting to you. This may be a good one to use in constructing your own diorama. For younger learners, it might be best to choose from one of 4 different background landscapes: an ocean, a forest, desert, or mountain. Older learners can pick from a more extensive list of choices shown on their worksheet. Also, don't forget that you can use the photos that you took at your own museum for inspiration too. Once you've chosen a background landscape, follow the directions on the PDF to help you figure out what to include in your diorama. That will include what animals are doing and perhaps how they are interacting. The next thing that you will need to do is sketch out your plans on paper. This is especially important for those who are choosing to do a more complex diorama. Then it is time to collect materials. Take a look at the link that is provided to give you ideas of things that other people have used when they haven't constructed their own dioramas. Look through the list of materials that are given to see if there are certain things that make the most sense for what you want to do. When in doubt on how to get started, consider using a shoebox. When turned on its side, it makes for a nice display with both a background and a foreground. Displays should have 3 levels of detail, 3 layers of detail. One is the background, one is the foreground, and the third are the 3-dimensional figurines or plants and animals that you include in the scene. And for those who want to give it a try, you could even hang animals from the top of the box, like birds or fish. For your older learners, set an expectation that you will label your diorama and identify the specific plants and animals that are included in the scene. That might be optional for younger learners. Once you're done, feel free to send us a photo at my email address that is included in the PDF, or you can tag us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.